Hello, welcome back to my kitchen. To my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always coming back and supporting me. I really appreciate it. And please, if today is your first time here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn the notification bell on. Thank you so much. So today I'm going to show you how I made this yummy-licious mouth-watering meal. So grab a drink, take a seat, and watch me cook. As always, before we start, let me go over the ingredients that I used. Start by adding some oil into a pan. Next, add your ground turkey. You want to make sure you break them apart so that they're not too lumpy. Next, add some chicken seasoning, rosemary, curry, thyme, and stir it. You have to make sure everything is evenly distributed while stirring. Let me tell you how I came up with this recipe. So one afternoon I wanted to cook lunch and wasn't sure what exactly to cook. So I opened the fridge and realized that I had some ground turkey and a few bell peppers. So I decided to come up with this, and trust me, it was so good. We really enjoyed it. You can make this recipe with ground turkey or sausage, so it's all up to you. Next, add some garlic powder, and fresh pepper. But the pepper is optional. If you don't like spicy food, you don't have to add it. As you can see, there's no more water. Stir fry it for about a minute. Next, add onions. It's now time to add your bell peppers. Look at that, beautiful colors. I love quick and easy meals because life abroad can be very hectic, and sometimes all you have is just 15 minutes to spend in the kitchen. It's now time to cook the spaghetti. After bringing my water to a boil, I added some salt and a little oil. Next, I'm adding the spaghetti. If you've been here long enough, then you know that I don't break my spaghetti when cooking it. Any spaghetti lover in the house? Please let me know in the comment section. Stir it, making sure that it's not sticking to the bottom of the pan. I decided to have mine with spaghetti, but you can have yours with yam, potato, or rice. Please, if you like what you're seeing so far, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. The spaghetti is ready, so I'm going to drain the water and serve it. Thank you so much for watching. But before leaving, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And also check out my other videos. Thank you so much. Until next time, bye.